Hi, welcome to India Food Network. This is Arina and you're watching Veggie World. Since it's mango season, I thought why not do a great mango recipe, but it's not a dessert. It's the perfect combination of sweet and spice. It's a mango salsa and it's a great hit at all the parties. So if you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. Let's take a look at what we need to make mango salsa. 1 ripe mango diced, half a red bell pepper cut into small squares, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander or cilantro, half an onion diced, 1 clove of garlic and half a green chilli finely chopped, and salt to taste. In a bowl, let's start by taking the diced mango, the red bell pepper, onion, garlic and the green chilies. We just give it a mix. Now if your mango is not very sweet, you can also add a pinch of sugar to just balance the taste out. Add the salt, the coriander, mix again. Now that it's mixed well, we'll just cover it and put it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes for all the flavors to come together well, and it's ready to serve. Here it is, mango salsa. You can serve it with tortilla chips. It's a great and simple dip to make for all the parties. So if you like this recipe and would like to learn more, subscribe to India Food Network. If you have any other feedback, do write into us. Till then, stay tuned.